What if I told you the next Apple product might kill the iPhone forever? No screen, no phone in your pocket, just normal-looking glasses that can replace everything your iPhone does. Sounds crazy? Stay till the end, because this changes everything. For the last 15 years, the iPhone has ruled the world. But now, Apple is quietly preparing its biggest disruption ever: Apple Smart Glasses 2026. Leaks suggest these glasses look completely normal, but inside, they're packed with augmented reality technology. Imagine this. You receive a message. It appears right in front of your eyes. Navigation arrows float on the road while you walk. Calls, notifications, translations, all without touching a screen. No phone, no hand movement, just your eyes and Apple's AI. According to insiders, Apple has been testing these glasses with ultra-thin displays, advanced cameras, and AI that understands what you're looking at. You look at an object and instantly get information about it. You walk into a store, prices, reviews, and deals appear automatically. This is not science fiction. This is Apple's plan. And here's the scary part. If Apple's smart glasses succeed, why would anyone need an iPhone? Think about it. The iPod disappeared. The iPhone replaced it. Now, the glasses may replace the iPhone. Apple doesn't kill products, Apple replaces them. Of course, the first version won't be cheap. Battery life will be limited, and privacy concerns will be huge. But remember, the first iPhone had no App Store, no 5G, no Face ID. Yet it changed the world. So the real question is not if Apple smart glasses will take over. The real question is, how fast? Are we ready to live in a world where the screen is no longer in our hands, but in our eyes? The future is coming faster than you think. And if you want to stay ahead of future technology like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel now, because the next big change is already happening.